Route 66 project in Canute is made up of several smaller projects alongside one big flagship construction project. We have the Canute Cotton Bowl sign, which is our iconic piece, and then we have the Ouachita County Motel sign, and we'll also have a sign going to our tourism center.
The Cotton Bowl sign originated in Canute. The guy that built the motel was a cotton farmer.
The bigger component is to restore the old Heidi High drive-through along Route 66, and we'll be rebuilding this into a tourism center. This project is a collaboration between the Canute Preservation and Restoration Committees, or CPR, and City Hall. Where the magic really happens on Route 66 is when you have both the architecture, you have a structure, and then you have a community around it. So being able to restore that iconic era will also restore the cultural history of our town.
With the Route 66 Visitors Hub, we will be able to have storefront where we will have a place for visitors to actually stop and give them more incentive to visit the town, visit our 2 restaurants we have. It will give them a chance to see what Canute is.
We're really trying to do this to get people into town, to try to raise our tax base just a little bit, get some more sales tax coming into town. And if they're here to see the Cotton Bowl, then there's another 5 or 6 things to do.
It will help create revenue for our town, and this Route 66 Revitalization grant is playing into that. It's helping us as a community, which is going to help generate more revenue for the state.
The Revitalization grant gave our community an opportunity that really we only dreamed of. We're so excited.